Outdoor lighting is essential for enhancing the beauty and functionality of outdoor spaces. Our expert team specializes in landscape lighting installation in Haltom City, offering a wide range of services to meet your needs. From pathway illumination to garden lights, we provide comprehensive solutions to transform your outdoor areas. Solar garden lighting in Southlake is an eco-friendly option that harnesses the power of the sun to illuminate your garden. Our wall-mounted outdoor lights in Haltom City offer a stylish and functional solution for lighting up your home's exterior. Outdoor chandeliers in Southlake, Texas add a touch of elegance to any outdoor space, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Patio lighting experts in Haltom City are ready to illuminate your outdoor living spaces with precision and style. Whether you need deck outdoor lighting, Haltom City TX services in Southlake, or security lighting installation in Haltom City, our professionals are equipped to handle all your outdoor lighting needs. Enhance your patio with LED outdoor lights and create a welcoming ambiance for your guests. Uplighting services in Haltom City can dramatically enhance the appearance of trees and architectural features. Downlighting installation in Southlake provides a subtle and sophisticated lighting effect for your outdoor spaces. Tree lighting professionals in Haltom City can transform your landscape with expertly placed lights that highlight the natural beauty of your trees. Driveway outdoor lighting, Haltom City TX in Southlake, enhances the curb appeal of your home while providing safe navigation for vehicles. Poolside lighting experts can create a stunning nighttime oasis with strategically placed lights. Bollard lighting in Southlake, Texas, offers a modern and stylish way to illuminate pathways and driveways. Hardscape lighting in Southlake, Texas adds depth and dimension to your outdoor structures, such as retaining walls and stone pathways. Low-voltage outdoor lighting in Haltom City is an energy-efficient option that provides ample illumination without high energy costs. Outdoor sconces installation in Southlake, Texas, offers a stylish and functional way to light up your home's exterior. Southlake. Outdoor Lighting Co. Outdoor Lighting. Haltom City services are designed to meet the unique needs of each client. Whether you're looking for landscape lighting installation or patio lighting experts in Southlake, our team is here to help. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive outdoor lighting solutions.